Alright guys, so I'm gonna be making this quick video right here on an easy upgrade you guys should definitely do on your N54, especially if you have an arm charge pipe. What happened to me was I was getting some sort of boost leak and oil residue. It was more of an oil residue. There was no 30FF code or boost leak code. I was just wondering where is all this oil coming from, and I did an inspection and I found out that it was coming from here, from this map sensor. And I noticed that one of the bolts was missing, and it was because it was just poorly designed. Like, it's a terrible bolt, like it was missing. And I've seen a lot of people have issues on the forums with these charge pipe or with these bolts in general. So I'm gonna be basically saving you guys a headache by telling you guys to upgrade to these. I got these at Home Depot. You need an M4 by 10 millimeter. You can get these at Home Depot. I got these at Home Depot, like I said. And then get yourself some washers to make sure you really get that clamping force. See, some M4 washers. And these things I like about them is the head is super heavy duty. Look at it. It's bigger than the one that comes with the arm charge pipe. Although I don't know how it is for the VRSF one or eBay ones or any other charge pipe, but as for the arm one, I would definitely suggest upgrading the bolts that it comes with, because like I said, mine just fell off, broke off or whatever. And I've seen the same issue on the forums about people complaining about the same thing. So this is something you can do, and it saved me from replacing my oil pan gasket, because I thought it was an oil pan gasket, but once I traced it down, I noticed that it was shooting oil out here and obviously leaking onto the oil pan gasket right there, and then it would eventually go down to the middle, making it seem like the oil pan gasket, but it's not. And it even got to a certain extent where I put these little pieces of clothes right here, so whenever this thing shoots out oil, because it will shoot out a little bit of oil, not too much, but it does, as you can see. That's why it's kind of soaked a little bit. But I did that in order to make sure it wasn't this just shooting out oil randomly, and it helped me trace it down to this right here, the sensor. Like I said, upgrade to these screws right here for the arm pipes. I don't know about the VRSF pipes, if they're the same thread pitch and everything, but if you have an arm charge pipe, I would suggest doing this. So yeah, that's pretty much it.